In 1992, airline videographer Henry Tenby enjoyed several flights aboard LAP Paraguay's Boeing 707s between Brazil and Asuncion. This hour-and-a-half program takes the viewer along for the ride, enjoying lots of takeoffs, landings, in-flight and interior footage shot from the very best seats in the house. LAP 707s came from Pan Am and were complete with their original 1966 interiors, including Pan Am logoed seatbelts, open hat racks, and vintage moon dome lighting. Sit back, relax, and relive the glory days of Boeing 707 flying at its best.